That's my basket, guys. I harvesting some guava, lemon, and some plantain right here. And all those things can form, guys, right here in that beautiful, beautiful garden. It's really organic food, guys. And I got this plantain. There's 2 serving on that plantain, and then I'm going to start the other plantain. I got so many plantain, guys. That mean, all right, let me stop right here to get some oregano. I don't know what I'm gonna make, or some eggs, or I think I've been eating eggs too much. I get 3 pieces of oregano, drop it there. That's the other one here, yucca, and that's 2 more on this side over there of yucca. And I'm getting inside. I've been outside the whole day, and I need to get inside. And I harvest some leaves to make some tea. Yes, I really need to make some tea. Oh gosh, that was a great morning. Thank you, friends, for watching. See you for another video.